Welcome to the exciting world of Amazon, where e-commerce and affiliate marketing collide to create lucrative opportunities for individuals worldwide. Today, we'll delve into the realm of Amazon's affiliate marketing program, a gateway for content creators, bloggers, and marketers to monetize their platforms effortlessly. Amazon, the behemoth of e-commerce, stands as the largest online retailer, offering an astonishing array of over 12 million products. Its colossal marketplace facilitates the sale of approximately 17 million items every hour, underscoring its unparalleled dominance in the digital shopping landscape. However, beyond the sheer scale of its operations, Amazon's transformative impact is most evident in its affiliate marketing program. This innovative initiative has become a game-changer for individuals seeking to monetize their online presence. The beauty of Amazon affiliate marketing lies in its accessibility. Unlike traditional ventures, there are no daunting registration fees to hurdle. Instead, all that's required for entry is a social media following of 500 or more, a modest threshold that opens the door to a global affiliate marketing program. Imagine a scenario where content creators, bloggers, and marketers can tap into Amazon's vast product catalog and earn substantial incomes annually. The potential for success in this program has led many individuals to achieve six-figure earnings, marking a remarkable shift in the landscape of online entrepreneurship. Amazon's affiliate marketing program empowers individuals to capitalize on the vast reach of the platform and turn their influence into a lucrative income stream. This democratization of affiliate marketing, where entry barriers are minimized, serves as a testament to Amazon's commitment to fostering an inclusive and accessible online business environment. By providing a pathway for those with a modest social media following, Amazon has unleashed a wave of entrepreneurial opportunities, creating a dynamic ecosystem where individuals can thrive financially through strategic affiliation with the retail giant. In essence, Amazon affiliate marketing has not only transformed the way people shop online, but has also reshaped the landscape of digital entrepreneurship, making it more accessible and rewarding for a broader spectrum of individuals. Embarking on the journey of setting up your Amazon affiliate account is an exciting step towards entering the world of online entrepreneurship. To guide you through this process, Amazon Creator University emerges as a valuable resource, offering a comprehensive rundown of affiliate marketing tailored for beginners. This platform serves as a virtual compass, navigating users through the intricacies of establishing their presence in Amazon's affiliate program. A quick visit to Amazon Creator University unveils a trove of knowledge, demystifying the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. As a beginner-friendly resource, it breaks down the complexities, ensuring that even those new to the concept can grasp the essentials. The platform covers a myriad of topics, from understanding the basics of affiliate marketing to providing practical insights into how to kickstart your journey as an affiliate marketer. The user-friendly interface of Amazon Creator University makes it accessible to individuals with varying levels of digital literacy. Whether you are a seasoned content creator or someone venturing into the realm of online marketing for the first time, this resource caters to all, offering step-by-step guidance to set up your Amazon affiliate account. The importance of such a comprehensive learning hub cannot be overstated. It empowers aspiring affiliate marketers with the knowledge needed to navigate the intricacies of the program effectively. By breaking down the process into manageable steps, Amazon Creator University becomes a beacon for those looking to harness the potential of affiliate marketing within the vast Amazon ecosystem. The journey to set up your Amazon affiliate account becomes more manageable and less daunting with the guidance provided by Amazon Creator University. This educational platform not only facilitates the understanding of affiliate marketing basics, but also serves as a foundational tool for individuals aspiring to carve out their niche in the dynamic world of online entrepreneurship. Entering Amazon's influencer program offers an exciting avenue for individuals to monetize their online influence and content creation efforts. The process of joining is straightforward, emphasizing accessibility for a wide range of content creators. To initiate the journey, a simple Google search for Amazon Influencer Program becomes the starting point. This uncomplicated entryway ensures that aspiring influencers can easily discover the program, demonstrating Amazon's commitment to inclusivity. The subsequent steps in the enrollment process are equally user-friendly. After finding the program, clicking on the Sign Up button initiates a seamless three-step process. The first step involves building your storefront, a digital space where you can curate and showcase Amazon products that resonate with your audience. This storefront serves as your personalized platform within the Amazon ecosystem, reflecting your unique identity as an influencer. The second step, creating and recommending products, empowers influencers to align their brand with Amazon's extensive product catalog. Content creators can choose products that resonate with their niche and audience, fostering authenticity in their recommendations. This step is crucial as it establishes a genuine connection between the influencer, their content, and the products they endorse, creating a more meaningful and trust-based relationship with their audience. The culmination of these steps propels influencers onto the path of earning money through the program. What sets Amazon's influencer program apart is its cost-free nature. Unlike many other ventures that require financial investments to participate, this program breaks down barriers by allowing individuals to join without any registration fees. This commitment to affordability aligns with Amazon's ethos of democratizing opportunities, ensuring that anyone with a passion for content creation can explore the realm of influencer marketing without financial constraints. The Amazon Influencer Program emerges as a beacon for aspiring influencers, offering a straightforward and cost-free entry into the world of affiliate marketing. This user-friendly approach, combined with the absence of registration fees, underscores Amazon's dedication to making influencer marketing accessible to a diverse array of content creators, fostering an environment where creativity and authenticity can thrive. In the dynamic realm of affiliate marketing, the challenge lies not only in selecting the right products, but also in showcasing them effectively to your audience. Enter Beacon's Eye, a game-changing platform that addresses this challenge by empowering individuals to create a personalized link in bio page in just under 5 minutes. This tool becomes a secret weapon for affiliate marketers, providing them with a seamless solution to drive traffic and ultimately boost sales. Beacon's Eye stands out for its innovative approach to link management. By offering unique links for each product or recommendation, it ensures that marketers can precisely track the performance of each recommendation. This level of specificity is invaluable, allowing content creators to understand which products resonate most with their audience and tailor their future strategies accordingly. The user-friendly design interface further simplifies the process, making it accessible even to those without advanced technical skills. The personalized link in bio page, crafted through Beacon's Eye, becomes a central hub for affiliate marketers, consolidating their recommendations in an easily navigable space. This not only enhances the user experience for their audience, but also streamlines the path to making a purchase. With this efficient tool at their disposal, affiliate marketers can strategically curate and present their affiliate products, maximizing the impact of their recommendations, and ultimately boosting their earning potential within the Amazon affiliate program. Now, let's delve into the pivotal aspect of successful affiliate marketing: content creation, the beating heart of any online venture. Whether you're curating content on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, mastering this craft is the key to unlocking the full potential of Amazon's affiliate program. Crafting engaging and authentic content tailored to your chosen platform is the bridge that connects your audience with the products you endorse. Choosing a niche becomes an essential strategy in this content creation journey. Specializing in a specific area not only helps you establish yourself as an expert in that field, but also accelerates your growth. The journey through the Amazon affiliate program is intertwined with the art of content creation, niche focus, and a patient approach. By mastering these elements and staying connected within the community, you're poised to unlock the full potential of affiliate marketing, turning your online presence into a platform for both expression and financial success. Amazon's revolutionary approach to e-commerce and affiliate marketing has paved the way for countless success stories. So buckle up for a thrilling ride into the world of Amazon, where entrepreneurship meets innovation. If you have found the video insightful and informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below.